Hey guys, Lockie here from Element, and I'm really excited to invite you to our mountain biking photography workshop in 2026. It's been about 6 years since we ran our first and I think only mountain bike photography workshop. COVID struck about a month later and we've just never got back around to running another one. So I'm really excited to share what I've learned over what's been now 15 years of shooting mountain bike events professionally. This workshop is perfect for someone who's a beginner trying to get their camera out of auto mode, or perhaps you know your camera a little bit better and you just want to start to dial in the settings, get your composition right, and work on your timing to really add that extra wow factor to your images.
Previous to today, I used to shoot in auto all the time. By doing the course today, I now learned how to use shutter settings, how to do everything manually, which has been fantastic.
Yeah, it just adds a whole nother dynamic to going out for a ride. Like there'll be rides now, I just love to take a camera with me and photograph mates instead of just riding.
I can definitely remember when I started out, especially with mountain bike photography, those key moments where the concepts really just started to click. And that's what I hope to provide in this session for other people. You can sign up to this workshop as a photographer and take photos of riders, or thanks to Forbes MTB, you can sign up as a rider, and we're going to be there to take the sweet photos of them. Taking photos, especially mountain bike action photos, is a lot of fun. So with other people there who are like-minded, just trying to improve their photos, no matter where you're starting at, it's going to be a really fun day, a great atmosphere, and we're looking forward to seeing you at the Mountain Bike Photography Workshop for 2026.